Alright, my brother showed me the crazy pedal that's nothing more than a metal box and a piezo disc. So I decided to make a pedal box with a piezo disc and a nice cigar box here. So there's my 1/4" jack, and just had to cut out a little square of the wood there to get it to fit right, but you can see the jack in there and the wires connected to it to the piezo disc. The piezo disc's not mounted yet. I'm going to mount that on this top board here once I figure out how to get that sticker off. And then we should have a really nice wooden box. This has a nice latching lid on it, this cigar box, and should make a pretty cool little mini Cajon type of sound or something. I don't know. Alright, so this is a homemade drum thingamajig with a cigar box, a piezo disc, real simple at this moment. It's a nice wood cigar box, really nice wood, and that signal coming out of there goes up to my EQ box here, so I have a little extra bass to boost the bass a bit and cut out some of the high mid-range, the upper mid-range. That then goes into a Korg Toneworks, kind of an old pedal, but we're just messing around to see what kind of sounds it would make here. So I'll give a quick little demo of a really cool sound that we discovered. So that's all done using the settings here. I guess the pitch bend is the important one, and the Filtron echo with plate, 1x12, and a classic comp there. Really crazy sound effect.
What do you want?
So fun to play. That's a lot of fun. Pitch shifting and echo and plate. And this is just crazy cool.